Let us now see complete sign up process in Razorpay. In Google, type Razorpay and then click on this first link. Sign up page will be opened. If you are already having account, then simply log in. If you are not having account, then click on sign up. I will click on continue with Google, and from this list, I will be selecting my mail ID and then click on continue. Here, select the country and click on verify. Page will be loaded, and now you have to enter the mobile number and click on send OTP. OTP will be sent to your mobile. Just type the OTP and click on submit OTP. Here, enter your name. I will give Khanam and then click on continue. In this section, previously, if you have already set up any payment, then select yes. If not, then simply select no. This is my first time setting up the payment, so I will click on no and click on continue. In this section, where do you plan to use Razorpay? I will select on my website. According to you, you can select the options and click on continue. Now we need to add the website link. If your website is not ready, then simply click on add later. Here, what's your business type? I will select individual and click on continue. Now inside this, you have to give your PAN number and then click on continue. Here, give your full name, what is present in your PAN card. Again, click on continue. What's your brand name? Here, you can give your business name. I will type step code and then click on continue. Here, our email ID will be displayed to receive account updates. I will click on continue. In this review section, you can review all the details which you have submitted. If you want to edit something, click on edit icon and then you can edit the details, and after that you can simply save. If everything is fine, then click on done. All the details will be submitted. Now we have to complete KYC. I will click on complete KYC. Then I will click on update details button. Here inside this, I have to submit all this information like business address, bank details, identity proof, etc. First, I am going to click on business address, and inside this, I am going to add my business address and then click on done. Next, click on bank details, and inside this, you have to enter your account number and IFSC code. Once you have entered, click on done. Next, click on identity proof. Here we have two options. We can share the Aadhaar details via DigiLocker, or else we can upload identity proof manually. I will select DigiLocker option and then click on continue. Inside this, I will enter my Aadhaar card number, and whatever text is given below, I am just going to enter that text. OTP will be sent to my Aadhaar linked number. Here I will enter the OTP and then click on continue. Here you have to enter your 6-digit DigiLocker PIN which you have already set up. If you have forgotten, then click on forgot security PIN and reset the PIN. Then here inside this, enter that 6-digit PIN and click on continue. Consent form will be opened from DigiLocker. I will click on allow. Page will be loaded and I will have all the details shared from DigiLocker. Now I will click on business policy. Based on your requirement, you can select all these details. I will keep default details and then click on create policy pages. Here Check on the checkbox and click on Publish Page with Razorpay. Now click on Business category. I will select Education. You can choose based on your requirement. Subcategory, I will select Coaching Institute. Business model, I will select these two options and then click on Continue. Review business category and then click on Done. Now after filling all the information, submit the KYC. Our KYC will be submitted. Click on OK, got it. Collect payment page will be opened. Close this rating pop-up. We will have a Razorpay link. If you want, you can share this directly. Scroll down, click on More ways to collect payment. Here, our dashboard will be opened. Again, OK, got it. Click on Stay on Dashboard. And this is our home page. From this drop down, I will be selecting Test Mode. Then go to Account and Settings. Go to Website and App Settings. Select API keys. Inside this, we will have our API and API secret key. Download this, and this secret key only once we can download. If you want another secret key, then you have to regenerate. So carefully copy paste this API key and API secret key and keep with you. Successfully, we have completed complete sign up process in Razorpay. And this is how, after giving all the details, we will be able to open our test mode.